Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Tiquan Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use this little button over here and that screen right there and the start engine right here. First of all, you're gonna have to have the engine off and press and hold this button and turn your car on without starting. Give me a second. Press and hold. Turn your car on and let go. When you see this pops up, now use the up and down on the right here to go to actually it's already on OK. Then go ahead and press OK and your service has been reset. And let's go back and check. Use it up and down and scroll to service, enter on that, which is the OK button, and OK on info. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the oil service has been reset to 10,000 miles for 372 days. And that is it, guys. So make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.